Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to concatenate and add numbers of two lists using a Python script. When I concatenate two lists, there will be one list which contains all these elements. It simply joins two lists into one list, and as you can see, the resulting list will have 8 elements. But when I add two lists, I will add the elements at the same index in two lists. Then the resulting list will have 4 elements. So let's see how to concatenate these two lists, and it is really simple. I create a new object called join list, and this join list equals to list 1 plus list 2. When I add these two, we will have a list with 8 elements. As you can see, this is the output that we expected. Adding element wise is a little bit complex than this. So I have written this code for that. First, I create an empty list called SumList, and then I zip these two lists into a zip object. Once we zip two lists into a zip object, it provides the ability for this for loop to access items in both lists at the same time. For example, according to this format, this for loop is able to access both these first elements in both lists at the same iteration. So I can add these two and so on. So once I add the elements from the two lists, those will be inserted into the sum list using the append function. And this for loop will be iterated over each index in both lists, and finally we will have a list with 4 elements, and those elements will represent the added values of these two lists. So let's run this one, and you can see 5 plus 1 is 6 and 4 plus 8 is 12, and this is the expected result. So it is very important to understand what happens here in zip and how these two elements are accessed at the same time by this for loop. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment sections. Thank you.